Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change a BMW 3 Series headlight. First, gather your tools, a screwdriver, a new headlight bulb, and protective gloves. Make sure your vehicle is completely off and the engine has cooled down. This ensures your safety and prevents any electrical issues during the process. Preparing properly makes the entire replacement much smoother. Now, let's access the headlight bulb. You'll typically find an access panel or cover located behind the headlight assembly in the engine bay. Depending on your specific BMW 3 Series model, you might need to remove a few clips or screws. Gently pull back any wiring harnesses that might obstruct your view or access to the bulb housing. Take your time to avoid damaging any components. With the access clear, it's time to replace the bulb. First, carefully disconnect the electrical connector from the old bulb. Then, remove the old bulb by twisting it counterclockwise or unlatching its retaining clip. When inserting the new bulb, hold it by its base and avoid touching the glass. Oils from your skin can significantly reduce the bulb's lifespan. Almost done? Now, reattach the electrical connector to your new headlight bulb. Make sure it clicks firmly into place. Then, carefully replace the access panel or cover, securing any clips or screws you removed earlier. Finally, turn on your BMW and test the new headlight to ensure it's working properly. This confirms a successful replacement and gets you back on the road safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.